So a few weeks ago, I was trying to create an automatic cobblestone farm on my Minecraft server. It pushes stone from the sides into the center, and there's a TNT duper on top, and it drops TNT and it blows up the stone. That turns into cobblestone, and it's a very efficient farm. And I was trying to get it to work on my multiplayer paper survival world on Minecraft Java Edition, but it would never work. And I remember looking at the comments, I hear these people talking about a setting on the paper file that changes it so that you cannot have TNT dupers on a Minecraft server. And right above it, I saw another setting that allows unbreakable blocks to be broken. So both of these were set to false, therefore I could not make a TNT duper. It would have been impossible. No TNT was allowed to be duped. And then right above it, the unbreakable blocks. This setting, it declined the server of any breaking of bedrock. And breaking the nether roof is mostly essential for creating these cracked gold farms. So I'm going to show you now on my server. Here, if we go to files and we go down to paper.yml, clicking on paper.yml, we can see allow headless pistons, allow piston duplication, this is for TNT farms, and allow permanent block breaking explicits. These were all set to false. So this permanent block breaking explicit, that is basically talking about breaking bedrock. And most SMPs break bedrock for all the amazing farms, so you don't have to travel from nether portal to nether portal, and it takes a long time. So by setting this to true, you are allowing the explicit of breaking bedrock and any other unbreakable blocks. So allow piston duplication. It says it down here, allow piston duplication. This setting controls if a player should be able to use TNT duplication. So this also allows duplicating carpets, rails, and potentially other items. Another one right here. So yeah, that's just for creating any type of TNT duplication for any type of reason, maybe making perimeters or other automatic farms. And then the headless piston, that does not necessarily apply to breaking bedrock, but it is kind of cool. They're always set to false, so by changing them to true and press and saving the file, restarting your server, you will be able to break bedrock and make TNT duplications. And I hope this helped, guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.